Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD, work from home job, PGT, TGT and the assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, I'm going to show you one most important and awaiting update from the National Testing Agency. So which was published on 18th December 2021. Okay, but just now it is on the official website itself. So please have a look on this update, and please share this video also to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of update from the National Testing Agency. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so actually whatever the updates we are getting from the National Testing Agency regarding the UGC NET or any other examinations, so usually we will go into the official website and we will check in the latest NTA. But whatever the update I am going to show you right now regarding the UGC NET examination, that notice is not mentioned here, or else that is not updated here. But you will get that notice in the UGC NET website, guys. Okay, University Grants Commissions December 2020 and June 2021 cycles. In this UGC NET website, you will get that notice. So you may check down. The public notice dated on 18th December 2021, the date-wise, subject-wise schedule for the UGC NET December 2020 and June 2021 examinations for the phase 2. So if you click on this one, then you will be directed to this PDF, guys. Okay. So actually, as per the starting notice, as they mentioned that the second phase of the examination will be from 15th December to 23rd December, like that. But the dates are postponed. Okay, so here the new dates are released. So all of you guys, whoever eagerly waiting for the phase 2 examination schedule, okay, so it will be the good news and wonderful news, not only to the phase 2 candidates, guys, for to the phase 1 candidates also it is a very good news. Why I am telling? Because once after completion of all the subject examinations, that means phase 1 and phase 2, after completion of both these two phases examination only, you guys will get the provisional answer key, and then you can challenge that one, and then the final answer key, along with that one the result will be announced. Okay, so all the UGC NET candidates who are giving the exam in this one, so if the phase 2 completed, then we can expect the provisional answer key as well as the final answer key within 15 days or the 1 month. Okay, fine. Anyhow, so you may check down the date wise and the subject wise and the shift wise schedule of phase 2 for the 5 subjects, that is Bengali, Kannada, Home Science, Hindi and the Sanskrit, will be conducted on 24, 26, 27 December in the CBT mode. So here the schedules also you may check down. So Bengali is on 24 December, shift 1 and shift 2, and Kannada, Hindi 26 December, shift 1 and shift 2 is mentioned. Coming to the Sanskrit and Home Science, 27 December, shift 1 and the shift 2. Okay, the examination dates for the remaining 2 NET subjects, that is Geography and Sociology of the phase 2, and the rescheduled 4 NET subjects of the phase 1 will be announced shortly on the National Testing Agency website. Okay, so here apart from this schedule, again the few more schedule also yet to be released by the National Testing Agency, that is Geography, Sociology as well as the remaining rescheduled subjects of the phase 1 are there due to the cyclone, that those are social work, Odia, Telugu and the labor welfare. Okay, that one we will get shortly in the official NTA website, guys. So again we need to wait for a few more days, okay, to get complete all these examinations. Okay, then only we will get the provisional answer key. Fine. And the notification regarding downloading of the remaining admit card will be displayed on the NTA website itself. So you need to check both the two websites regularly. That is, one is the National Testing Agency latest updates, and second one is the UGC NET NTA website. So please have a look on both these two websites for the regular updates. And here the help desk number is also there, and the mail ID is also there. Okay, so to get the clarifications or the doubts, anything, then you may contact, or else you may put mail to this provide mail ID. Okay, so thank you very much and all the best to all of you guys. To get the few more NT updates, okay, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you guys.